Alright, just going to show you guys my car. Just going to start it up for you. It's just out here. Gold tint, hell yeah. Doesn't have a back yet. Just because I haven't, like it was all dented in and shit, so I didn't bother. Live in Bankstown, go keep your cars locked. Shit. Nice furry shit there, no fuck yeah. Looking to the inside of my vehicle. Fucking sexy beast. Yeah, it's a manual. Plenty of room, fucking good view shit. Alright. Let's start the motherfucker up, shall we? The battery was dead, but I've managed to get it started. CD player. Listen to that roar, baby. I'll just turn the CD on for you. There's one in there. This CD came with the guy that bought it, so don't go thinking it's my music. Just test out the sound system, please. Alright, I don't know what the fuck it is, but so it sounds pretty good. Turn this off somehow. So that's it. Let's just open the bonnet, please. Alright. Show you guys the inside of it. There's the inside of it. Runs all good. All the tail lights not going to work, so that's all good. Let's get it back. Yeah. Sexy. Anyway, I think that'll probably conclude it. Catch you later.